Hello class and welcome to English 101 online for summer. This is week 2 of English 101 online. For this week in English 101 online, you will see that you have a few assignments, beginning with the Lumen practice activity for MLA format. If you're following the course, you will note that the Lumen resource is found on the left side of the navigation bar in Blackboard. Once you click on the navigation bar, you will see information for the Lumen resources. We're looking at the MLA format, and I'm asking you to watch the video, read information about the formatting for an essay in MLA. As you scroll down, read all of the information. I'm not asking for a header or a footer for any of the assignments, but I do want you to uh, compose a heading with your name, my name, the course, the section, the date, and the type of essay on the left-hand side of your paper. So it's more of a modified MLA version. I do want a title, so you will center your paper with a title and you'll capitalize all of the major words of the title. Make sure the title is nifty. Nifty meaning interesting, something that might grab the reader's attention, and think of a play on words. You may borrow from the media to help you compose something that's interesting and nifty. Once you are finished, you will post your information for Lumen on the discussion board under the Lumen MLA format practice. So you'll post your completed template to this particular practice discussion board, and you do not need to peer review it. I just want to see what your MLA formatting would look like. When you're done with that for the remainder of the week, you will be composing your tech essay. Please look at the prompt. The assignment is on the prompt, and it's also in the learning module for the tech learning module. You'll choose one of the topics to write an essay on. Make sure that the last line of your introduction is your thesis statement, which is your opinion about your topic. You have been working on your thesis statement since the end of last week, so continue to work on that. Remember, your thesis is one sentence that's your opinion about your topic and possibly why. When you're finished writing your essay, I'm going to ask you to do the tech peer review, and that posting will be open on Tuesday. So what you will do is you will highlight or underline the thesis statement in your own essay, and then you'll post your draft of your essay on the discussion board, and 2 classmates should review your essay, and please respond to 2 other classmates using the Lumen resources, the checklist to help you. You may want to state certain sentence starters like, I agree, I like the way you did this, I'm confused by this, I wonder if this thesis statement makes me think of, and so forth and so on for the tech peer review. I hope this information was helpful. The final draft of your essay is due at the end of the week, so please make sure to have it done by this Friday. Please follow the calendar if you have any questions. Thank you.